Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. We'll start off today's news with the spy shots of the hybrid Ford Focus as the arrival, the 2021 Cupra Leon. But before we get into the news, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, let's get right into the news. Hot hatch fans with a soft spot for VAG products are in for a treat as not only VW introduced the next-gen Golf GTI and R in 2020, but Seat is EAT through its recently founded Cupra sub-brand will launch the Hot Leon. These spicy derivatives will come only about a year after the debut of the regular models. And we won't be too surprised if it'll be similar story with the next iterations of the Skoda Octavia RS. Not that it comes as a big surprise, but the exterior design appears to be subtle evolutions of the already sharp-looking compact hatchback. Some might argue the Leon in its existing form is a bit slicker than the more upscale Golf and even than the posh A3. So it will be interesting to see what people will say about the next-gen cars. Bear in mind VAG has a new contender in this segment, with the Skoda Rapid-replacing Scala also joining the fray. The fact that the dual exhaust finishers are blocked out leads us to believe those are actually fake, and the actual exhaust is hiding underneath the bumper. Shame on you. Large wheels shot in the skinny tires indicate this is a sporty version, with the lowered suspension setup also pointing towards a more agile versions of the compact hatchback. Though details are yet to be uncovered, it is likely that the model will share the same MQB platform found under the skin of the current generation Seat Leon, and also set to make an appearance in the next Volkswagen Golf. In the brand's push towards the premium end of the market, expect next generation interior tech from Volkswagen to make its way to the new Cupra Leon, including larger high-res displays and improved interior plastics. The plug-in hybrid Cupra Leon is expected to offer a combined output of at least 242 horsepower seen in the Cupra Formentor Coupe SUV concept, with a range-topping Cupra Leon R likely to hit 300 horsepower mark and pack all-wheel drive. The next Cupra Leon is expected to hit roads in 2021 following a mid-2019 reveal.